In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear or delete browsing history for the Brave browser. If you'd like to remove your browsing history, improve your privacy, or simply start fresh with a cleaner browser experience, Brave makes the process quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps you need to follow to delete your browsing history from your computer. Follow along and you'll have everything cleared in just a few moments. To begin, launch the Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Once the browser is open, move your attention to the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll find the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open Brave's main menu. When the menu appears, select Settings. This will take you to the browser's Settings page where you can customize and manage various features and preferences within Brave. After entering the Settings area, look toward the left side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel containing several categories. From this list, choose Privacy and Security. This section is where Brave stores options related to protecting your information, managing website data, and controlling what information remains saved on your device. Once you're inside the Privacy and Security section, browse through the available options until you locate Delete Browsing Data. Click on it to open the Data Removal tool. This feature allows you to clear information that is accumulated while using the browser, including your browsing history and other stored data. A new window will appear with several choices. Near the top of this window, you'll see a tab labeled More. Select this tab to access additional deletion options and more detailed controls. This area provides greater flexibility over the type of information you want to remove and the period of time you want to cover. Next, locate the Time Range menu and click on it. From the available choices, select All Time. Choosing this option ensures that Brave removes your browsing history from the entire period you've used the browser, rather than only deleting recent activity. Once All Time has been selected, find the Delete from this device button and click it. Brave will begin removing the selected data from your computer. Depending on how much information has been stored, the process may take a few seconds to complete, so allow it a moment to finish. And that's all there is to it. Your browsing history has now been successfully cleared in Brave, helping you maintain better privacy and giving your browser a fresh start. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.